Welcome to SisuCare, the largest online CNA training provider in California, approved by the CDPH. Becoming a CNA has never been easier. Our program consists of 3 major steps that will equip you with the skills and knowledge you need to succeed in this rewarding field. Step 1. Online theory classes. Our self-paced online classes allow you to complete the theory coursework at your own pace, giving you the flexibility to learn while juggling your other commitments. You can access lectures, readings, and quizzes online. You can finish the theory part of the program in 2 weeks. Step 2. On-site clinical training. Our program's hands-on clinical training is the next step in your journey towards becoming a CNA. With multiple clinical sites in California, you can choose a location that suits you best. You'll get the opportunity to work alongside licensed nurses, gaining valuable experience in patient care. In as little as 3 weeks of clinical training, you'll be ready to put your newfound skills into practice. Step 3. State Board Exam. The final step in your journey to becoming a CNA is passing the State Board Exam. At SisuCare, we prepare you thoroughly for this exam to ensure that you're ready to excel. If you're passionate about healthcare and making a difference in people's lives, SisuCare's CNA program is the perfect way to get started. Take the first step towards a fulfilling career today. Enroll with SisuCare. Thank you for considering us.